You can see what other people charge for it. If they rank your video for you, it's $1,495. If they have to make it for you, it's $2,495. My last website was johnjarvistraining.com, so let's just type in and make sure I'm hiding private results. Now you can see right there how there's 5 different indents. That happens when your website is structured right. Now the first step in getting the search engines to pick up your website is through the use of videos. And right here I have a video that's about 6 minutes long. It's how to add an e-cover to your sidebar. What I did is I took that one video and I split it up into 5 short videos. And what I'm going to do is take it to my YouTube channel and upload it and use the description to get the search engines to pick up my new website. And there it is, right there. So we're at number 31, 32, 33, number 35. So using videos the proper way, it won't take long to get this new website to page 1, but the key is the proper way. So step 1 to do this is go to my new YouTube channel. Here we are on my YouTube channel, and all you need to do from here, or just from youtube.com if you're logged into your Gmail account, is just click on upload, and you'll notice that I have 5 windows open here. And I just usually minimize this, and I pull one video into each window. And while we're waiting for these to upload and do their thing, let's go talk about our YouTube channel and our YouTube description especially. Alright, now our YouTube channel is similar to our websites in that the older they are, the stronger they are, and the more strength they get in the search engines. And a YouTube channel should be set up properly too, so make sure that you watch the training that I do on YouTube channels. Now our YouTube description, they allow us so many characters, just like in a blog post or whatever. They allow us so many characters in our YouTube description. And we want to start off with something to the effect of click here and our domain name, or at least the web page of the blog post that we're trying to get ranked. Always make sure this is at the top. And I've seen some people only put this much in, and that's a big mistake because all of these other keyword phrases that are related to Free Internet Marketing Toolkit, these will get picked up by the search engines. What I do is I have a pre-formatted YouTube description. And this part is the only part that I change when I'm doing my short videos, that is. So I would go for video 1, I would change it to this. This part I actually put what the video is about, so this video is on how to add an e-cover to your WordPress sidebar to make your website more professional looking. Now since this is one of the shorter videos, I just double space and put this. Sometimes I use video splitting techniques and turn a longer video into shorter ones, which I'm doing right now. This is part 1 of 5. And you'll also notice up here that I changed this up a little bit. And I grab this, copy it, open up a new document, paste it. And search engines really don't like duplication, so you need to change things up just a little bit, not a whole lot. So I might go part 2 of 5 videos. Then I would copy all of this, open up another document. This is part 3. And here I might go, this is part 2 of 5 short videos, and so on. I'm going to finish this up quickly. Now that that's done, I'll simply come back here, pick this up. This is part 1, so I copy it, go back to YouTube, make sure I'm on part 1 here, paste it. Part 2, copy it, I use Control-C. Part 3, same thing, like you're catching on already. part 4, and finally part 5. Now for our tags, I don't use a whole lot of tags. I used to use 6 or 8, but all I do is use the keyword that I'm trying to rank for at that particular time, free internet marketing toolkit, and this right here is my YouTube channel username. So these are my keywords, so I copy them. I take them back, paste. All 5 of these. Now I hope that you've seen some of my image training. Once you set your YouTube channel up right, they allow you to upload a custom thumbnail. So I always do that. And the right size for an image here would be 640 by 320, the same size as the video. You can make your images smaller or larger and they'd still work, but I like using the images the same size so they don't stretch. Here we are. I just open it. And I do this to all 5. There we go. Now what I do is pick this up like this, highlight it, Control C, and I add it to the playlist of the same name, Free Internet Marketing Toolkit. Same thing as here. Highlight, copy. And I'm going to finish up, do the other 3. After that is all done, what you want to do is open up each one of these links. And I'm going to pause it just for a second and explain this to you. What you want to do is open all 5 of them up, let them play all the way through. And I'm going to do that again, pause the video, and I'll be right back with the next step. Alright, now that all 5 of them have played through, and the reason you do that is because you don't want to stop partway through a video and leave your own channel. Think of it as like people walking out of a movie. If people walk out of a movie partway through it, it looks bad in the theaters, get rid of that movie, and that's basically what happens if people leave your website or your videos. It's called your bounce rate. So you want to keep people watching your videos and on your website as long as possible. But anyway, our next step is to like it, share it to Facebook, and you can type something in and say something about it if you want to, but I'm just doing this for demonstration. I'm not going to worry about it. Share on Twitter. Google+. You might want to put something like free training or whatever. Blogger. Just simply publish post. What this is doing too is backlinking your website and your YouTube channel. And I'm not sure if I'm signed into Reddit, but just keep going through all of these things. All of this stuff is connected with Google and YouTube. And anything that's connected with Google and YouTube is going to be good for not only your YouTube channel, but your website. So basically, I'm going to do the same thing for all 5 of these videos now. Come back and take you into the next step. Well, that's the basics of it. That's the nuts and bolts. Of course, there's a bit more to it, like organizing your website properly and so forth. As for ranking the videos, here's a few more tips. Do exactly what I showed you to do in YouTube with 4 other good video hosting websites. You've already seen that Dailymotion ranked well. Another one is Vimeo.com. Make sure that you read the terms and conditions of these video hosting sites. Never, ever, never advertise on any of these sites that won't allow you to. These websites are too important for you to lose. Now, a good rule of thumb for this little secret is to upload 5 videos to 5 video hosting sites 5 different days. Most of the time, this will not only get your videos ranked, this will also get a well-structured website ranked in pretty much any niche market.